There are moments in all our lives where you feel you're completely stuck, completely lost. You find no way forward, and you think nothing can bring the normality back. In those moments, if you look at a little more closely at your own thought process, you can actually use the same situation where you are in as a growth point, as a breakthrough that can help you to actually bring a significant change towards something more constructive. But if you look at the same situation in a much more depressed and in a much more negative sense, it can actually make you feel more and more helpless. So the point here is, life is not always a smooth sail. There are going to be ups and downs. You be rich or poor or healthy or unhealthy or whatever you are in your life situation, there are going to be these ups and downs. So if you want to really make use of these downs, think them as your growth points that will help you to actually make you more constructive. And always remember, something that is an end is always a beginning for something new.